Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have an oldie but a goodie, definitely a personal fave, YogaClub. YogaClub is a yoga clothing subscription box. I have had their subscription for years. I pushed pause because had it on a monthly basis, and after 2 years, that means I have 24 of everything. So I pushed pause, waited, and now I have renewed with the quarterly subscription. It is only $79.99 and you get 3 items. There is not a better deal out there. Like, these are good quality, amazing yoga clothes. I can vouch for it because I've been wearing them for years, wearing them, and they don't wear out. The quality is amazing, and they're not see-through. I think in all these years, I got one pair that was the same color as my skin tone, and so it made me look like I was not wearing any pants. Outside of that, everything's been perfect. And I gave this to a girlfriend who is actually tan, and they look amazing on her. So YogaClub is quarterly, $79.99. If you use coupon code PINKFREE, you get a free pair of leggings in your first box. So your first box will have 2 pair of leggings, which is pretty awesome. In my box this month, I got a very cute sports bra, a very soft sports bra. It is padded, which is good for me. I've had a couple babies. I need to kind of keep things hidden and under control. By the brand Whispers. Retail value, $58. Love that. And then, oh my gosh, this super cute top, which looks amazing with the sports bra. This is also super soft. It has the longer edges, and it does have a cutout in the back. Super, super cute. This is by Soul & Mane. Retail value, $65. I love it. And then my pants. Oh my gosh. I freaking love this color combo. Look how the pants fade to match the top and sports bra. And it's actually like a marble type print. I absolutely love it. These are by Soul & Mane, and they look like they're 3/4 length, like they go meet at your calf. These have a retail value of $88. I told you the value on this box is unbeatable. When you go on their website to order, it's gonna ask you your style preference. I have mine marked with bring on the color, like wild and crazy. Whereas when my sister filled hers out, she was like, neutrals, black and whites, please. So you do get to fill out your questionnaire to let them know what is a little bit more of your style. You do always get a complete outfit, which I love. Now, sometimes it's not a shirt, sometimes it's a full hoodie. And one of my favorite, coziest cuddle up hoodies is from YogaClub. But each box has 160 plus in retail value that we get for only $79, which is crazy. And their website is super easy. So you hop on, you can cancel or pause at any time. They do easy exchanges also online. I've talked to their customer service multiple times. They were quick, easy, and great to work with. Go to the URL below and hop on and fill out the style quiz. It'll give you a great intro to how they segment and label their athleisure wear. And although the name is YogaClub, it really, you guys, I have never done yoga. It is really great activewear. And so, yeah, if you are looking for a great, I don't even work out. I don't do yoga. I work in the yard. I chase kids. I'm active, and I wear these things for being active. I work at a nonprofit on Tuesdays where we're bending over and hauling and moving things. I wear these type of clothes so that I am ready to go and on the move. And they have to be durable to be able to withstand all those things. And I can say that YogaClub is. Treat yourself. Get yourself some great fresh yoga clothes so that you feel confident to go out and get stuff done, and you're not going to get a better price point than this. Use my coupon code so you get the free leggings and sign up below. If you have any questions, find me. Obviously, I'm a fangirl. but I've been with them for so long, I am able to actually answer questions about the club as a whole. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.